Honda TRX 500 won't start refers to a four-wheeler engine that either cranks but won't start, or the engine won't crank at all, or maybe the engine starts but shuts off immediately. This video will detail how to fix a Honda TRX 500 that will not start up. Keep in mind that this troubleshooting information is based on the factory service procedures. Also, be sure to watch the video until the end because I'm going to show you where you can download the complete factory repair manual instantly and free of charge. The manual can be downloaded in just seconds. Anyway, when using this troubleshooting guide, be sure to check for one or more possible malfunctions. To download the factory repair manual instantly and free of charge, go to Google and visit the website buybacklinks.co. The name of the website is on the screen, but remember the domain is buybacklinks.co, not .com, not .net, it's .co. And when you get there, the website should look like this, although it could change over time. But anyway, scroll to the bottom of the screen and click on where it says Buy Backlinks right here. From here, you can download whichever manual you need free of charge. And to find the manual you need, just start placing the cursor over each manual and it will display which model the manual applies to. To download a manual, just right-click on it and save it to your desktop or downloads folder by clicking where it says download. Or you can also save it to your Google Drive if you have a Gmail account and just store the manual there by clicking here, add to my drive. But I'd probably recommend downloading it. Anyway, if you think you found this video helpful, be sure to click on the like button.